Welcome to another cooking video. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most popular street food in Cambodia called chive cake. Today I'm using about 1 pound of chive, but you can add more if you like. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chicken soup mix, and I'm using 1 cup of rice porridge, which is only 1 cup of rice will make this much of porridge. Okay, let's prepare the ingredients. So I have already washed this. Okay, and don't forget to trim off the end. This part is a little bit hard to eat. And also at the end, sometimes we have some old leaf, so cut it off too. And then rinse this under water for a few times to get rid of any dirt and dry them off. Okay, so let's start chopping it off. So you're gonna cut about maybe an inch. So I'm already done chopping. This looks pretty good, and we're ready to move on to the next step. In the saucepan, heat up half a cup of oil, salt, chicken glutinous mix, adding the hot oil to the chive make it smell so good, and it's bring a really nice texture and well balanced when you mix them with the flour. Just mix it all well and let it marinate for a few minutes while we're mixing our flour. I used a whole bag of rice flour, and it says it's 1 pound. 1 pound bag of rice flour. We also need glutinous rice flour. I'm using about 3/4 cup of glutinous rice flour because if you add too much, it's gonna make your chive cake too soft. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now we're gonna put in our rice porridge. So with just only 1 cup of rice, and then you're gonna make that much of porridge. So why do we add porridge in here? Because we want that texture of soft inside and crispy on the outside. Okay, let's mix it all well. So now just pour in our chive mixture that we already marinate. Smells so good. So this is the consistency, the texture that you want. Not too soft, not too runny. It's become really sticky right now. But this is what you are looking for to make the perfect chive cake. Okay. I think we're ready to steam it now. You know, the perfect plate to put it into steam is this Corel brand. I don't know if you don't have to use this, but I find this really easy and it's come off without putting any oil or anything on it. So we're gonna fill up this plate and we're gonna steam it. Okay, and so just make sure it's all flat, and we're gonna steam it about 15 minutes. Let's steam it. After 15 minutes, our chive cake is ready. You will notice there's some water on the plate. It is normal. Go ahead and dump it out and let it sit on the counter to cool down. There are actually two kinds of chive cake. One is round, it has the chive filling inside, and this one is called square chive cake because we cut them into square pieces, and it's all mixed together, the flour and the chive, and it's easy to make. I'm using a round plate, so it's actually not gonna look exactly square. I'm saving some for later, and this is gonna go into the fridge, and you can keep it for up to a few weeks. When you're ready to eat, just fry them, and it should be perfectly crispy.